Imagine using a gadget today without knowing its peculiar origin. Intriguing, isn't it? In our modern world, filled with devices making life more convenient, each gadget has a past, a story, often quirky and unexpected. Let us delve into the fascinating origins of some everyday items that have subtly become indispensable. We begin with the humble toaster. Surely toasting bread seems like a straightforward task, but the evolution of the toaster is anything but ordinary. In 1893 in Scotland, Alan McMasters invented the first electric toaster. However, it was a marvel with a flaw. The device often caught on fire. Fast forward to 1919, a Minnesota company, Waters Genter, enhanced its design with a feature that revolutionized breakfast routines, an automatic pop-up mechanism. This small yet significant improvement made toast a breakfast staple. Next, we turn to the common vacuum cleaner. Before we had the luxury of automated cleaning devices, carpets were a nightmare to maintain. It all began in the early 20th century when Hubert Cecil Booth, a British engineer, attended a demonstration of a cleaning machine that blew dirt away. Booth's curiosity led him to wonder, why not reverse the process? This thought birthed the first powered vacuum cleaner, which he famously tested by placing a handkerchief on a theater seat and, with no scientific gauge but pure determination, sucked the dust away. Thus, Booth's invention laid the groundwork for the modern vacuum, turning what was once an arduous task into a manageable chore. Shifting gears, let's explore the history of the wristwatch. Originally, wristwatches were considered exclusive to women, as men traditionally used pocket watches. However, the tides changed during the late 19th century. The need for precise and convenient timekeeping during warfare led to their adaptation by military personnel. In a twist of irony, the wristwatch became a symbol of masculinity post-World War women, reversing its preconceived gender association and cementing its place on the wrists of millions worldwide. Now consider the history of the ballpoint pen, a writer's tool, and for many, a student's best friend. Invented by Hungarian journalist Laszlo Biro in 1938, the pen circumvented the smudges and scratches typical of fountain pens. Biro's innovation lay in using a tiny ball bearing to dispense thick, fast-drying ink. This simple genius not only transformed writing, but also left a mark on countless industries that required reliable, smudge-free documentation. Finally, let us reminisce about the adhesive tape. In the 1920s, a young, innovative assistant at the 3M company named Richard Drew observed workers struggling with masking during two-tone auto paint jobs. He ingeniously created a tape that would adhere to surfaces yet not peel off the paint. This development eventually evolved into Scotch tape, a staple in homes and offices for its incredible versatility. In conclusion, these stories illustrate that the everyday gadgets we often take for granted possess extraordinary origins, tales of creativity, necessity, and sometimes sheer chance. As we use these gadgets, perhaps we'll now look at them with newfound appreciation, understanding that behind each is a narrative of bold innovation and quirky beginnings. Let us embrace this history, for it is a testament to human ingenuity, forever shaping our world in wonderful, unexpected ways.